Why have women passion, intellect, moral activity, these three, and a place where no one of these three can be exercised? Suffering, sad female humanity. Women are never supposed to have any occupation of sufficient importance not to be interrupted, except suckling their fools. What else is conventional life? Passivity when we want to be active. So many hours spent every day in passivity when we would so gladly be at work. Women long for an education. They long for experience, systemized to enable them to know what they are about. Dreaming always, never accomplishing. It seems as if the female spirit of the world were mourning everlasting over blessings not lost, but which she has never had, and which, in her discouragement, she feels that she never will have. They are so far off. Humanity must give them the means to exercise this moral activity, must give them intellectual cultivation, spheres of action. Give us back our suffering, we cry to heaven in our hearts. Suffering rather than indifferentism. Rather, 10 times rather, die in the surf, heralding the way to the new world than stand idly on the shore. Awake, ye women, all ye that sleep, awake.